Hello my loves, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. And today guys, we are going to make macaroni pasta. So stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my pasta. And guys, tunaanza kwa kuchemsha our 2 cups of water. Sijui kama inafaa kuwekwa before ichemshwe, but in my case I always wait until maji yangu iboil. That's when I add macaroni. And after 10 minutes guys, maji yangu ikachemka and I added macaroni. Ndio hiyo inachemka. It took another 5 minutes. Sikuwa nataka ichemke sana ndio isishikane. So after kuchemsha for another 5 minutes, tukaitoa tukaikamua na maji baridi ya ndio isishikane guys. And moja kwa moja kwa kutengeneza our creamy pasta. And this is how we make it guys. Tunaweka 2 cloves of garlic as you can see. Then we are going to add butter or cooking oil if you don't have butter. In my case, I didn't have butter guys, so I had to put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then we give it around 2 minutes before we go in with our wheat flour. So kama hauna cream ya kuweka your pasta, that's when you go in with your flour. Si lazima uweke cream guys, so unaweza jinikia your cream at home. And this is how you make it. You add your flour, ndio hiyo tunaongeza, and then you are going to kukoroga, you stir, and then after that guys, you go in with your 1 cup of milk, 1 glass of milk, depending na your pasta zenye unapika. So that's when you gonna be adding your glass or your 2 glass of milk. So after that guys, ndio nikaongeza my milk after stir my wheat, ikachanganyana na garlic. I added milk, and then that's when you stir again. Unakoroga until it is thick na inaisha hizo lump. Yeah, that's when unaongeza your pasta. So nilikuwa naongeza my milk gradually, as you can see, nikikoroga, and then moto yako ikue medium low ndio isiungue. So guys, nikaendelea kukoroga until it was thick, ilikuwa like imeishaisha hizo lump. That's when I added my macaroni. So guys, unaweza ongeza your spices zenye utakuwa unatumia before ama after. So guys, nikakoroga ndio mix everything vizuri. Si unaona my pasta zenye zina come through, you can see they are creamy. You can tell they are creamy, yeah. And after that guys, I added my salt, I added my black pepper and paprika. Those are the 3 ingredients that I wanted to add. Sikuwa nataka vitu mingi, and of course I said paprika kama kawaida tukaongeza, and black pepper ni poa sana cause inafanya usikie tu kuzikula. Iko na hiyo kaukali fulani hapo kanafanya usikie kuikula. And yeah, after that guys, tulichukua 5 minutes zikaiva kila kitu. And guys, it is as simple as that, na lunch yako come through. And then unaweza ikula na mayai, unaweza pikia kama yai as a protein, unaweza pikia beef as a protein, and it is as simple as that. And in case you are new here guys, go subscribe, watch and share my videos guys. And honestly, thank you so much for supporting me. I don't take it for granted. This far were enough for you, I don't know where I could have been. And within a short time guys, ndio hiyo my pasta here, and I served. Mimi nilikula tu hivyo since ilikuwa lunch time and I was on a hurry to leave the house. And guys, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think. Tell me what you think in this video guys. Tell me hata kama ni mbaya ama vizuri, just go ahead and tell me. Maybe you might help me somewhere. And thank you, and that's it for today, and we see you in the next one. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.